Today you remember the boyfriend that proposed and you refused. Now you say, hata ningeolewa na Paul. Sai tungekuwa mbali. Kwa sababu hizo masiku Paul akikukatia alikuwa hivi tu, hivi. Kiatu yake imeraruka, belt yake inakaje, alafu ukaenda ukachukua nani yule? Edwin, ukachukua Edwin. Because Edwin looked sharp. I say, this guy that looks sharp, this one can take care of me. What you didn't know is that Edwin, see how girls we are so stupid. Paul kept on asking, Akibaba, nikubali tu nikuoe. He disgusted you from the word go. Because he didn't even propose the way a man should do what? Propose. Yeah, we want to be proposed to the way the world proposes. Then you put our boys in a mess. They must propose, they must engage, they must put a wedding ring, you must post it on Facebook. Nonsense. You wait until you say I do. You'll realize those things were useless. All of them. But you see, what Edwin told you the other day is mina itwa Edu. In a good suit. In a very good suit. See the way he's dressed. Fitting. It's a fitting suit. Semina itwa Edu. And the suit has a tie and a matching lapel. Is it? So mina itwa Edu. That's how they talk as they rub the stomach, chest to stop. Mina itwa Edu. Naishi na sister angu. And then because you are so blinded, you didn't get the statement, naishi na nani. You didn't get it. You see how stupid we are. That tells you that's a man who cannot take care of what? So sharp, but still stays with the sister. Still stays with the sister. And Paul was there. Nothing looking great. Nothing. I said, naomba tu tafadhali nikupali ukue pipi yangu. And you refused. Today you are suffering in the hands of Edwin. And today Paul walks with a beautiful family. 3 children, looking good, driving their car. You are troubled. You say, you keep on telling us, unajua ule Paul alikuwa anafanya nioe. Sijui nini ilikuwa mbaya. The opportunities we throw away, I tell you, because we lack spiritual perception.